Welcome to this interactive crypto review of Trade.com. Trade.com broker is based on Nicosia, Cyprus, and it offers trading instruments such as forex, stock, indices, and other products. You can choose from 5 account types to trade and spreads that start as low as 0.02 pips. Trade.com offers only MetaTrader 4 platform and WebTrader. Many payment methods are available, including debit cards, credit cards, bank transfer, and other methods. Trade.com is the trading name operated by Trade Capital Markets, TCM, Ltd, and Live Markets Limited. Trade.com is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission under license number 227/14, as well as by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa under FSP number 47857. Live Markets Limited is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom by the Financial Conduct Authority under firm reference number 738538. Trade.com broker offers a variety of currency pairs to trade, including major, minor, primary, and exotic forex pairs. From the commodities, you can trade Brent oil, gold, natural gas, oil, and silver. Cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies can be traded. Popular indices assets such as France 40, Germany 30, UK 100, US 30, and other assets are available to trade with Trade.com broker. Over 2,000 companies can be traded by accessing the stock assets, including stock as Apple, Facebook, Google, Netflix, and many more stocks. And lastly, you can trade sterling, yen, euro, and dollar bonds. Micro, silver, gold, platinum, and exclusive account are the available account types that you can choose to trade. When you trade with the micro account, a small deposit of $100 is required. Spreads on major forex pairs start from 3 pips. You can access the customer service 24 hours, attend events, and use the desktop and mobile trading platform. The silver account requires a higher amount to trade, so you need to deposit at least $1,000. Major pairs have spread that start from 1.9 pips. Besides the 24-hour customer service, events, desktop, and mobile platforms, you can access the daily analysis morning review and get assisted by a dedicated account manager. An amount of $10,000 is required to trade with the gold account. Spreads on major forex pairs start from 1.5 pips. Besides the daily analysis, events, 24-hour customer service, a dedicated account manager, you can access the premium daily analysis and Trading Central. The Platinum account offers all the features available. You need to deposit at least $50,000. Spreads start from 1.2 pips on major forex pairs. The Exclusive account offers all the features too, but this account requires a minimum amount of $100,000 to trade. The Exclusive account offers very low spreads that start from 1 pip. Account verification is required on all account types before you can trade. Trade.com broker charges a $25 monthly inactivity fee if you don't trade in a period of 90 days. An overnight fee known as swap fee will apply to each position that remains open overnight. Also, a conversion fee will apply when your account currency is different than the quoted currency of the asset that you're trading. Deposit and withdrawal fees are covered by Trade.com broker. To deposit and withdraw funds, you have a variety of payment methods to use. The list of supported payment methods include debit cards, credit cards with Visa, Visa Electron, and MasterCard, NetTeller, Skrill, PayPal, Truly, GiroPay, Sofort, and bank wire transfer. Deposit methods with debit cards, credit cards, and online electronic wallets will be processed instantly in your account. Other methods can take more than 1 business day. The withdrawal process can take also more than 1 day, and bank wire transfer can take 3 to 5 business days. MetaTrader, known as one of the most popular trading platforms, is available for all clients. You can download MetaTrader 4 on your Windows, Linux, and Mac devices. MetaTrader 4 is available for mobile phones too. WebTrader is also supported, and you can trade more than 2,100 assets from your web browser. From the educational resources, Trade.com provides access to the economic calendar and the trading central. This includes articles that can help you to learn more about the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis in trading. The economic calendar provides information about economic events in the markets. The customer support team is available from Sunday to Friday. You can send an email, contact the live chat, or use the WhatsApp to send a message through the phone number. To get other information about Trade.com Broker, you can visit the Frequently Asked Questions page. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching the Trade.com Broker Review.